Welcome to another edition of Health Talk on Inside In TV. I am Aisha Asafa. Today, we will be discussing coronavirus. Coronavirus is a global pandemic that has caused a lot of havoc to the economic, political, and religious sectors of the nation. Coronavirus is a family virus that causes illness such as common cold, severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, and Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS. In 2019, it was discovered as a disease outbreak that originated in China. Symptoms of coronavirus. What are the symptoms that you will be seeing to know whether you have coronavirus or not? Actually, these symptoms appear between 2 days and 14 days according to your body system. Tiredness, fever, cough, headache, chill, shortness in breath, and loss in taste. We should go on a short break. Stay tuned, we will be right back. Welcome back. If you are just joining us, we are discussing coronavirus. We have discussed the meaning of coronavirus, the origin, and the symptoms. Now, we will be discussing the causes of coronavirus, that is, how coronavirus spread. Coronavirus can spread by having close contact with an infected person. It can also spread by respiratory droplets from an infected person when they cough, sneeze, or talk. These droplets can be inhaled or land in the mouth of someone nearby. It can also be spread by touching the surface that has the virus on it and using that same hand to touch your mouth, nose, and eyes. Now, how do we prevent coronavirus? Coronavirus can be prevented by avoiding mass gathering. It can also be prevented by avoiding close contact within at least 6 feet or 2 meters. It can also be prevented by covering our face with face masks in a public place. It can also be prevented by washing our hands with soap and water or hand sanitizer for at least 20 seconds. It can also be prevented by avoiding touching our mouth, nose, and eyes. It can also be prevented by cleaning and disinfecting high-touch surfaces such as electronic gadgets and doorknobs. Coronavirus can also be prevented by covering our nose or mouth with our elbow or tissue when coughing or sneezing, and dispose the tissue immediately after use. Coronavirus can also be prevented by avoiding sharing of dishes, glasses, beddings, and other household items when you are sick. This is where we call it a day on today's edition of Health Talk. Join us next time. I am Aisha Asafa.